So we're unboxing the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K Pro here. I haven't ordered a new camera since I bought a T3i in 2013 probably. I buy a lot of used gear, but when this camera came out, when the announcement came out, I did pre-order it the first day it was available. And I did order the viewfinder attachment, but I don't know if that, I don't think it's in this box. There it is. What's the best way to open this box? Oh, there's some plastic loose. Comes with a dongle, Sony NPF battery, a bunch of charging cables, strap, and then the camera. Look at that. It's chunky. There is built-in NDs in there. Here's the flippy screen that everyone's talking about. Oh, look at this. Little protection layer. Let's try and fire it up, see if there's any juice. Touchscreen. Booyah. Grab a Sigma 18 to 35. This does use EF mount, which is great. Oh, it's already autofocusing. Let me turn that off. So a lot of people are talking about this blue tint that is happening on the LCD screen. Apparently they're going to do a firmware update, so there's a more neutral color rendition on the camera. This thing is long. It feels very long with the lens on it, just because of the, I don't know, the mount area. But this looks great. There's the unboxing. Now I'm gonna mess with this.